What's up guys, it's Aryan here, back here with another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Unity. And Unity is a coding language that I'm going to be teaching in my YouTube channel, and we're going to be making like a Mario Kart based game, like it's a racing game, and I'm going to be showing you how to install the correct Unity in this video, so let's get into it. So firstly, I just need to give a shout out to CoderKid, because they're the ones that teach me how to use Unity and stuff. So you can also learn from there. You don't have to learn from my video. You can also learn Unity from there. It's CoderKid. It's mycoderkid.com. It'll be in the description below, so don't worry. And you're gonna need an account to do this like whole thing, or you could try it for free. The try it for free thingy is for 2 weeks, so you would want to try it for free, or you make a new account, but it costs money, so that's all. So I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of courses in here. Like there's so many courses you can do. There's Scratch, there's Minecraft, there's Roblox courses, there's game programming courses like Python and Unreal Engine and JavaScript, and you get to make your own games like fish games, you get shooting games, and this one, it's an online game, so yeah. And you get to make drones, and you get to make your own website, and it's really good. You can make your own battle royale type game, and it's really good. Like I really like CoderKid, and it's really good. It's cool and stuff. So I recommend getting this so you can learn like different types of coding languages like Unity, which I am going to be showing you guys how to install. So once you're on this website, some of these are going to be having red clouds. Like this one, I'm pretty sure has a red cloud. If it doesn't, then just click on it. And if it does, you have to upgrade your CoderKid to where you can have this as green, so you can access what we need in this video. So if you have a green cloud, click it. If you don't, you have to upgrade. Well, everyone should have to upgrade, but yeah. Once you're in here, you want to click Chapter 0, Installation and Setup. Okay, so once you're in here, you'll see some of these videos, and you want to just click, you would have to complete this first one. This is just like the introduction video. This one is the installation for Windows and Mac. I don't have a Mac on me right now, so you would need to follow the Mac instructions by yourself. I'm not going to be showing that in any of my videos, but I am going to be showing the Windows installer. They also have a video for that, so you can go check that out if you want to, or you can look at my video. Any is good, any is the same thing. So once you're in this page, once you clicked on this video, you would want to hit the Unity Windows installer, so hit that. And then once you're in here, you want to press open folder, and then it will bring you to File Explorer, and you want to double click on Unity Download Assistant, and it'll say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you want to click yes, and then it'll bring you with this little thingy, the Download Assistant. You want to hit next, and you want to tick this box right here, and then you want to hit next. Then once you're in here, it will show probably this one is going to be only ticked, the Unity one. You would have to tick both of these, so like this, you would have to tick 2 of these ones. You have to tick the Unity one, and you would have to tick the Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2017, and then you want to hit next after that. Make sure you have 4.6 gigabytes, because this Unity requires 4.6, as you can see right there. I don't know if I can't highlight it, but as you can see right there, the my space available is 18.8 gigabytes. I now have 4.6, so I have enough, and then once I have that, I want to click next. I want to accept the terms of service. I want to accept the terms of the license agreement or whatever, and then next again, and then it'll start installing here. And yeah, you just want to wait for it to install. And well, I'm gonna wait for this to install, and then I'll see you guys in about, I don't know, a couple minutes. Okay guys, so after a bit it will come up with Visual Studio Installer, and you just wanna do not close out of this, because this is really important into our game we're gonna make with Unity. So do not let this install as well, and let Unity install with it. So I'll see you guys in like about 1 second. Okay guys, once Unity has finished installing, it's gonna ask you to either reboot your computer, which means to restart it, or it's just gonna ask you that Unity has been installed on your computer. Just click finish like it asked me, so I'm just gonna click finish, and that is done. So now if you exit out on the desktop, it should show a little cube thing, and it says Unity on it. So if you restart your computer, if it asks you to reboot your computer, then you should reboot it, and if it doesn't, then once you're in what's that, so once you reboot your computer, you gotta log back in, and then you should see it on the desktop right here. And if it doesn't ask you, you should still see it on the desktop right here, and you can open it up by double clicking, but I'm not gonna do it in this video, but I am maybe gonna be doing it in the next video and showing you some features. So that is all for today's video. I hope you like, comment and subscribe. I hope you share this video, and I'll see you all next time.